it's Darnell with Wave Oven Recipes. And today I'm going to cook up some Hot Pockets in the Phillips Air Fryer XXL so we can see how it does on some Hot Pockets. And we're going to get started with that Hot Pockets cook in the Phillips Air Fryer XXL right now. Alright, so the Hot Pockets we have for this cook are the Philly steak and cheese with the croissant crust. So, going to see how this turns out. Going to cook up both of these in this 2-pack. So to start out, I'm going to just turn the Phillips Air Fryer XXL on. It's on the cooking from frozen setting. I'm going to up that temp to 400 degrees. I'll set the time in a moment. But I have the party rack in there. I'm going to take that out. I won't be needing that. Now, one thing that's interesting about Hot Pockets, if you didn't notice, they're called Hot Pocket brand sandwiches. They're actually, you're supposed to think of them as a sandwich, you know. So I'm going to get my Hot Pocket sandwiches out. And you don't need the microwave crisper sleeves, but just going to take this one, put it down there in the air fryer basket, get that little piece of, get those crumbs out, they'll just burn up. Then get this other one out, also set it right down in there on the other side, so I'll just give them some space apart there. So we got 2 Hot Pockets in the air fryer, and I'm going to close things up, and we're going to try 15 minutes. So I'm hitting time, go up to 15 minutes, we'll give them 15 and then we'll check how they're doing. They may already be done by then, so I'm going to start and bring you back. Alright, we're coming into the final seconds of 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Using that frozen setting, I've got my instant read thermometer. I'm going to be looking for a temperature of up to 145 or above for the cooked temperature. So here we have them. They look good. Stick the probe in. 181. It's like in the 170, 180. So this cooked very fast. It cooked even faster than some other cookers that I've cooked Hot Pockets in. Now, since these Hot Pockets are very hot, I'm going to basically plate them and give them some time to chill out a little bit, you know, cool down from being, you know, like they're 200 degrees. You never want to bite into a Hot Pocket that's too hot. But there you go, 15 minutes flat. That's pretty good. So when I bring you back, I will have the camera adjusted and we'll do a taste test of these Hot Pockets from fully frozen, cooked up in the Phillips Air Fryer XXL, the Avance line. Alright, so I've given these about 5 minutes to cool down and I'm hoping that they're good and cool. So let's see how my Philly steak and cheese Hot Pocket sandwich is now. Alright, Hot Pockets hot and tasty. So I'd like to know what your favorite Hot Pocket is. You can leave it in the comment box below. Also, you can find this, other heating instructions and recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Ever want to come directly to this YouTube channel, use waveovenrecipes.com. Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend who might want to also heat a Hot Pocket. Subscribe to the channel, and good eating.